So today we can start with the non-functioning of excretory system. So if the excretory system, if anything happens to our kidneys, if anything happens to our kidneys or other part of the excretory organs, the liquid waste, excess liquid waste won't go out of our body. It won't go out of our body. So what will happen at that time? The excess water will pile up in our body, will collect inside, will store in our body. It is not good. If our excretory system is not functioning properly, so can it happen? How the excretory system can't work properly? Sri Hari, mute your audio. Mute your audio. So sometimes due to some reasons our kidneys can have some problems or other excretory organs can have some problems. At that time it will not work properly. What is its working? Removal of liquid waste from our body, removal of urine from our body. If it is not working properly, that excess water will pile up in our body. Okay, the liquid water collects inside our body. This may lead to swellings. This may lead to swellings of the body, especially on legs, hands and face. So you might have seen some old aged people have some problems, some swellings on their hands. Sometimes their faces may become big and legs also. Those people who are suffering from kidney diseases, kidney failures, they on their legs, on their feet, you can see swellings. Okay, what is that swelling? What is that swelling? Swellings. I will show a picture. From that you can understand what is the swelling. Okay. So let me share the picture. At that time, nobody should unmute. Felix, Srihari especially. Okay. Okay, let me share the picture. See, I hope this picture you can view it. Manas, Manav?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, mute your audio. See here you can see swellings on the legs, on the feet. Did you have seen this kind of swellings? Anybody?
No.
No. So, okay. So, mute your audio. Everybody. Okay. See on the hand. So now you understood what is this swelling. What is this? What do you mean by swelling? Understood it? Okay. See some on the feet, on the hand. See on the face you can see this under the eyes and all you can see lots of swellings. Okay. Face also become puffy. It become like a puffy face. Okay, so these are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory system. If any of our excretory organs are not functioning properly, the liquid waste that will collect inside our body, there is no way for liquid waste to go out of our body. It will collect inside our body. That may lead to swellings of different parts of our body. I hope it's clear. Is it clear for everybody? Is it clear for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Good. Okay. So, what is the symptom of non-functioning of excretory system? I will ask those only to tell. What is the symptom? What is the sign? What is the symptom? What is the sign of non-functioning of excretory system? Who can say, raise your hand? Raise your hand. Parvati. Parvati, unmute and tell me, Parvati. Unmute it, Parvati. Fast. Okay. What is the symptom? Tell me fast. See. Swelling. Okay. Say it loudly. Some more loud. Swellings on. Yeah. Okay. Swellings on our feet, especially on our feet, hands, and on our face. Okay. Parvati, mute. Now, one more thing is there. One more symptom is there. The color of our urine may change. It will become dark yellow. Sometimes the smell also will be very bad. Okay, the smell also will become intense. So, okay, so 1 minute. Okay, so another symptom of non-functioning of excretory system is the smell and color of urine may change. Okay, smell and color of urine may change.
Ma'am, can you tell the spellings?
Yes, which spelling, dear? Which spelling?
Spelling.
S-W-E-L-L-I-N-G.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. The S-W-E-L-L-I-N-G, swellings. Okay, so two
Can you
symptoms.
repeat spelling again?
Okay, S-W-E-L-L-I-N-G. Is it okay? Okay.
Yes,
Sarah, Siddhi, mute your audio. Okay. So, Srihari, unmute it, Srihari. Okay. Tell me symptoms of non-functioning of excretory system.
The color and smell of the urine may change.
Very
Also
good.
may lead to swelling.
Okay, it may lead to swelling. Very good. Sit quietly there. Okay, as you are dancing there, I thought you are not listening. But sit quietly and listen the class. Okay, otherwise I will ask questions. So, if our kidneys do not work perfectly, properly, the color and smell of the urine may change. We may feel tired or we may start vomiting. We may start vomiting and we may feel to vomit. These all are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory system. First one, swellings. If we see the swellings on any of our body part, we have to think, okay, what is the reason? If anything happens to our kidneys, especially, if our kidneys are not working, Manav, mute your audio. If our kidneys are not working, the color and smell of urine may change. The color and smell of urine may change and we may feel very tired. We may feel very tired and sometimes patient starts to vomit also. These all are the symptoms of non-functioning of kidneys. I think you understood it, right? Okay, next one. So, how can we take care of these kidneys? These kidneys are not only kidneys, excretory organs, all are very important, right? Rissa, please keep your book down and sit quietly. These excretory organs, including kidney, ureters, urethra, urinary bladder, then our skin and lungs also. Our skin and lungs also are very important. Okay, so if the sweat is not going out of our body, that also may create problems. If carbon dioxide is not going out, see, let me ask you, Sarah Maria, unmute and tell me, Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
If carbon dioxide is not properly gone out of our body, what will happen?
We may die.
Carbon dioxide is a poisonous gas, right? So,
yes.
It is dangerous for our life. So, that also should be thrown out. Okay, so how we can be, that is protecting our excretory system is very important. Protecting our excretory system is very, very important. Okay, how can we take care of our excretory system? Do you have any idea about it? How can we, those know, raise your hand, okay? Those know, raise your hand, that's all. How can we take care of our excretory organs? Okay, Manav. Okay, unmute.
Ma'am, we should take care of kidneys and not, and also we should also remove the liquid waste from our body.
Okay, okay, that is
Or
that. Okay, how can we take care? That is my question. How can we take care? Is there Siddhi? Siddhi? Yes.
Ma'am.
Ah, yes. Tell me. How can we take care? How can we take care? Is there anything to say? Okay.
Yes.
Ek
Ma'am,
tell me
can we?
first. 1 minute. 1 minute.
No.
1 minute. Tell me. How can?
Can I tell?
Okay, I
While
am giving.
going out, we should wear mask.
Okay, okay, good. Mute.
Smoker.
Okay, okay. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Everybody muted. Whose audio is not muted, please do it. Okay. See. Okay, Aryan. Tell me, Aryan, what you know, how to take care of our excretory organs.
Do breathing exercise,
Ah.
protect ourselves from
Okay, so I think you are reading from the textbook. No need of that one. I am, okay, mute it. I am just checking how far you know about this all. Okay, see, everyone using mask, right? Everybody is using mask nowadays, right? Okay, so that mask is compulsory because we have to make ourselves safe from the virus. That virus should not go into our lungs. That should not affect our lungs. That is why. So, one of the method to take care of our lungs, use mask to protect ourselves from smoke, dust and virus. Okay, so that we want to do it compulsory. And another one, do breathing exercise regularly. Glenn Baiju, what you are writing there, please take your books in front from front side. Take keep your books on one side. Okay, okay, okay. Now.
Excuse me, ma'am, it is not Glen Baiju.
Oh, okay. Say your network is slow. Your voice is also breaking. Please wait. So others, let me see how can we take care of our lungs. Use mask. First one, it is use mask that can protect our lungs from smoke, dust, and external virus, that all things. Okay. And another one, do breathing exercise regularly. Do breathing exercise regularly. When we are doing breathing exercise, it will make the lungs strong. Okay, it will keep the health of our lungs. So do breathing exercise. So these two things are to take care of while lungs. So let me ask you, Nainika, unmute it, Nainika. Nainika, unmute it. Okay, can you tell me how can you take care of your lungs? How can you take care of your lungs? Nainika, where are you? Tell me first. Yes, tell me. Nainika, tell me.
I am on disturbing sound.
Nainika, say the answer, please. Nainika. You can't tell your net is slow. Okay, I will come back to you after some time. Okay. Now I will call Ashwal Krishna. please tell me how you can take care of your lungs. Unmute it. Ashwell, unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how can you take care of your lungs? No, don't know.
Wear mask.
Okay, wear mask. Okay, good. Another one. Fast, fast.
Do regularly
Ah,
breathing exercise.
breathing exercise. So to tell this, no need to read text. Okay, textbook. You can remember what all we discussed today. Doing breathing exercise. By using mask, we can protect our lungs. Okay, so one more. Ashwell, now mute your audio. So let me ask to Devarsh Raj. Devarsh,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, please tell me, how can you protect your lungs? How
We
can,
must wear mask
very good.
and do breathing exercise regularly.
Very good, Devarsh. Okay, mute your audio. I think it is clear to all, right? Everybody muted. Some disturbing sounds are producing. Okay. Now, how can we? Skin is also a excretory organ, right? Skin is also an excretory organ. It removes excess water in the form of sweat. So how can we take care of our skin? Who knows it? How can, raise your hand, okay? How can you take care of your skin? Raise your hand. Those who know the answer. Janvi, yes, good.
Taking a bath.
Okay, take bath regularly. That is the only thing we can take care of our skin. Okay, take bath regularly. Are you taking bath regularly? Are you taking bath regularly? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
times a day, right? Morning and evening. Very good, very good.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so while you take bath, you have to use soap and water.
Soap.
Good soap. Okay, soaps. When you are selecting a soap, you should take that which one is not making any allergies to you. Okay, which is not harmful. So select a soap which is not harmful for your skin. So using soap and water, you can clean your skin while bathing. Okay, skin is the largest excretory organ. Skin is the largest excretory organ. So we have to protect, we have to take care of skin. Okay, will you do it? Will you do it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, along with it,
Ma'am.
okay, along
Yes,
with
ma'am.
it, you have to wear clean clothes, washed, clean clothes. Okay, otherwise, if you are not using any clean clothes, that also can
Get
affect
allergy.
infections.
You
Okay,
get
so these
allergy.
all things you have to keep it in your mind. I hope you will practice these all things in your life. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Who is that? Tell
Did
me.
did kidneys work like filters?
Yes, surely I told when I explained the working of the excretory system, I told it. That is why I told the how at your home, how the tea is prepared. I told you, right? So like a filter, kidneys are acting. Okay, removes the liquid waste. Now, see how can we protect our kidneys?
So it will become urine, right?
Yeah, that is there. Okay. How can we protect kidneys? How can we protect kidneys?
Ma'am,
How can we protect? See, let me give.
By drinking water.
Okay, okay.
And by drinking water.
Lots of
Lots of
water.
water.
Okay, okay. Mute your audio. Everybody mute your audio. Mute it.
I'm going to mute.
We can protect our kidneys by drinking lots of water. Everybody should drink water. But I can see some of you are drinking something during the class time. So you can avoid that one, okay? Before the class or after the class, you can drink, okay? Don't do that one during the class time. Class is only for a short while. Manav, class is only for a short while, right? That you can during the class time, in the school, during the class time. Are you drinking water? No, you have to drink in the break times, right? In the break times or after the gap between two class, right? So in the here also you should not drink water or anything. You can do that all things and can come to attend this. Okay. So drink lots of water. Drink lots of water. It can be in the form of plain water, juices, milk, tea, coffee, what all it is that you can use. And another one, fruits and vegetables that helps to keep our kidney healthy. Okay,
Kidney beans.
Kidney beans are rich in proteins that can, Alexandra, please mute your audio, that can help, that can increase the health of the kidney, that can make the kidneys healthy. Here I am going to show some pictures of fruits and vegetables that can help to keep our kidneys healthy. Okay?
Rajma.
Rajma. Okay, 1 minute. Mute your audio, everybody. Everybody mute it. And please check the, can you see the board or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
You can see
ma'am.
some.
Yes,
Yeah, you can see some.
Really?
Okay, okay. Mute your audio, please. Mute your audio. Here you can see Rajma. This one is called Rajma. Okay, this one. This Rajma is it's a type of bean, big bean, brown in color. It has the shape of kidneys. So it is also called kidney bean. Kidney bean. Okay, see one minute. Let me take the pen.
And it is also colored as kidneys.
No, it is not called as kidneys. Kidney bean.
And it is good for our kidneys, right?
It is good for our health of our kidneys. It is good for the health of our kidneys. Its name is kidney beans. Okay. Another name is Rajma.
Rajma.
Rajma. Okay, Rajma. Another name is Rajma. These all you can get it from the stores, shops. So if it is possible, you can add these all in your food. Otherwise, use these all things, fruits and vegetables which are available. Every day it is available, right? Fruits and vegetables. See how which all fruits you can include in it. Then some berries, some type of berries, blueberries.
Blueberry.
Yeah, if it is not, don't think that we won't get these all things. So how can we protect our body? Don't think like this. See, what all it is available, fruits and vegetables, that you can include in your diet. So that will make your kidneys healthy. Okay. So I think you all understood this. You can use kidney beans, you can use fruits and vegetable different types, then berries. These all are good for the health of the kidneys. Okay, these all are good for the health of the kidneys. And another thing, if you are not drinking enough water, what will happen? I will show you.
Kidney stones will form.
Yeah, some small stones will produce in the kidney. I will show you the picture of the kidney stones. Okay.
It's like a laddu.
No. It is not like a laddu. Please
Yellow color.
Please mute your audio and listen. Mute your audio. See, kidney stones are formed due to excess salt and minerals in the urine. If we are not drinking enough water, that excess salt won't be removed from our body. Understood? If we are not drinking enough water, excess salt would not be removed from through the urine. That salt will stick on the kidneys. And form small stone shape. Okay, I will show you the picture of the kidney stone. Please check it. Okay. 1 minute. See, this is the. Here you can see, right? Kidney stones, very small. Don't think that it is like a big stone. That stones will be very small. You can see from here. Okay, these stones will what will happen if kidney stones are formed in our kidneys? It will prevent. It will prevent the passage of urine. That time we may feel very pain. And it is difficult for you to remove the urine from your body. Okay, I will show you what it has.
Ma'am, if it is small, it will go with the urine.
If it is very small, it will go through the urine. But sometimes, if it is not small, you can see here kidney. See, listen, mute your audio and listen, please. So you can see here some small stones are in the kidneys, right? If that kidneys will come and stuck in the ureters. When the urine goes through the ureters, these stones will stuck in the ureters, that pipe. Sometimes in the urethra also. At that time, we may feel so pain. It is difficult to urinate. It is difficult to urinate at that time. So, what we want to do to prevent this? What we can do to prevent these all things? What we can
eat beans or rajma.
No, that is for the health of the kidneys.
Yeah, drink enough water.
Drink enough water.
Drink water.
Enough water.
Should drink. Mute everybody. Mute your audio. Everyone should drink lots of water. Minimum 2 liters you have to drink. That can be in the form of plain water, tea, coffee, juices, whatever it is. Will you drink?
Yes.
Okay. Will you be safe from kidney stones?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, by drinking enough water, you can make yourself safe from the kidney stones, so that you won't feel any pain. Okay, so read the textbook thoroughly. The digestive system and excretory system, these two are for the periodic test. Today I will send
Ma'am, today there's a test.
Today.
no dear, today's time it is now over, right?
Okay,
Up to
ma'am.
10:15 only we have the time.
Okay, ma'am.
Next class surely I will take
Okay,
the
ma'am.
test. Okay,
Okay,
be
ma'am.
ready for it.
Okay,
When I
ma'am.
am sending the notes, when I am sending the notes, write down the notes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.